wild around us. I'm Jeremy, your personal naturalist. Coming to you from the Squam Lakes Natural Science Center, where we advance understanding of ecology by exploring nature. Today we're going to start something a little bit new and different. For this summer, every other week we are going to play a nature noise for you. The following week we will give the answer as well as some more added information about that nature noise. I'd love to take your guesses, and please send those guesses to Jeremy.Phillips at nhnature.org. Here's today's nature noise. Thanks for listening today, and please don't forget to send your guesses to Jeremy.Phillips at nhnature.org. That email's in the show notes as well. And don't forget to do the important thing. Get outside and explore the wild around you.